What's up, y'all, man? Day 6. Today is currently March 10th, and I'm going to do a recap of today's trade. I was $1,000 away from passing my eval. Now I'm $1,400 away from passing my eval. But I'm going to get into how that happened, right? I come into the markets, I'm looking at gold and silver. I'm not really liking the 1 hour on silver, so I checked gold. I did like the fact that we were holding this gap right here. So I was pretty bullish, but I never got it set up on gold. So I'm watching silver as well. One thing I did not like about silver is we didn't have no higher time frame gaps holding. Only 1 hour gap we had was the closest higher time frame gap we had was right here, and that kind of never got tapped. And I had this level marked out as well for price to come take. I kind of wanted to see this, and then like an IFG somewhere around here. That was what I wanted to see, but we ended up not getting that. So this is what it looked like playing out. I was content with this sweep. We pushed up, manipulated back down, swept it. And what I was paying attention to was this fair value gap right here. Paying attention to this one. And I wanted to see it get inversed. Only thing we were missing, everything here checks out. My bias was bullish. My jaw is clearly up here with the beginning of Asia highs and this full high up here. So my jaw is very clear. We're just expecting a pullback to continue higher. We've got the touch. I'm waiting for the inverse. Only thing we were missing was that higher time frame fair value gap. That was very crucial. This would have been the gap I needed. Or I could have waited for a sweep into these gaps down here on the 5 minute. But I didn't. I took this trade. I liked it. I had my stops below the candle. I was in one contract, and I needed 1,040 to pass or something like that, like something like this. So I have my stops right here below the candle for about 360, and this is pretty much how it played out. I got absolutely wrecked. What did price do? Came back, waked me out, hit my level I marked up, and then shot all the way up. Did I re-enter? No, because I don't know if it'll show you guys, but here on the 1 minute, I wonder if it can show it. As you can see, price got very hectic. Price came down strong, opened, wicked up, wicked down, opened again, wicked all the way up, came all the way back down, opened again, wicked up, came back down. It was just too unpredictable, so I didn't really feel comfortable re-entering the trade, and I didn't want to make a $300 loss bigger than what it needed to be, especially since I come back to the markets tomorrow. So I decided to take this L, and I still could pass in one trade. Most of my silver trades usually go far enough to pass in one trade. So hopefully we get that win tomorrow, man. But that's the recap for the day. I'll see y'all in day 7.